Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. You guys are awesome. Let me just start out saying that. You guys rock. So we said we were going to try the subscription boxes. A lot of companies are doing them. Nobody's doing a first aid based one, so I thought, hey, let's give it a shot. Holy cow. We sold a lot more than I thought we were going to do. You guys are awesome. Thank you for the support. So I wanted to cover last month's subscription box. We did the Boo Boo kit, or Boo Boo, and then we did Prepared-ish, and then we did Civilian Medical. Those were the three different levels you could go at. So we're going to talk about what's in the October box here. We're already taking orders for November now. So if you ordered one, you're like, I want to be completely surprised like Christmas when I open it up, don't watch this video. But if you were like, I'm not sure, I was on the fence, I want to see what he was going to put in it first, or you just want to see what we're doing, then continue watching the rest of the video. When we were building these kits out, we did compare prices to Amazon. That way, everybody's getting their money's worth. So the $30, $60, $100 worth is compared to Amazon prices. So we want to make sure everyone's get their money's worth. This first item in the level 1 box was a shocker for me. A lot of you checking out said, if it doesn't have this in there, I will be disappointed. I was like, okay. And honestly, dang, they're expensive. My Little Pony Band-Aids. I'm like, I've made a couple of videos, a couple of jokes about having My Little Pony Band-Aids in your kit with a big tough guy who hurts his finger. Like, oh, here's a My Little Pony Band-Aid, get back to work. So we put a box in there. These things are expensive. It is what it is. So, but we put those in there. So you got a box full of My Little Pony Band-Aids. We did a first aid guide. This is a little small pamphlet booklet type that goes over a lot of emergencies that you could do as a quick reference guide, even a study guide. You just want to look through some stuff. So pretty excited about that. That was something cool. A lot of you have been asking about that, if we would sell this or what you recommend. So we went out and found one. Pretty cool. The next thing we put in the kit was our Boo Boo kit. This is full of different kind of bandaging, creams, ointments, burn cream, bite and sting pads, things like that. So this has been a super popular item since we started selling it a while back. So we wanted to put that in the level 1. So we put 2 different types of gloves in the level 1 kit. We put the Apex Pro gloves in there. Man, these are nice and thick. They're got an extended cuff here, so for those nice bloody calls that you may see, we put a pair of these in there. They're nice and thick. I would compare these to the Bear Claws. What I don't like about the Bear Claws is the way they come packaged. They're super packaged tight. That way, they don't take a lot of space. So the Apex gloves are packaged like this. So you break this little paper roll here, and they're nice and easy to put on. They're super thick. But you're not going to put these on every single call. I completely understand that. So we put some regular nitrile non-latex gloves in there. There's 3 pairs of gloves in here. So these are what you would use on a normal situation, a super bloody situation, or a super nasty situation. Use these. So one of my goals is to add a new product to the subscription boxes that we don't currently carry. And this is one of them. So this is a 1/2-inch roll of cloth medical tape. So it's good quality medical tape, but it's a 1/2-inch roll. So it doesn't take up a lot of real estate in your bag if you have a little small bag that you want to carry. Another new product that we didn't currently carry in our store, we do now, is some Eyepads. So we had like the eye shields, the metal aluminum shields, but we didn't have any kind of pads. So for like eyes that may be oozing, bleeding, things like that, we didn't have anything that was made for that. So now we have Eyepads. So you get 2 Eyepads. A couple of new things we also added here is these towelettes. So sometimes you may not have access to warm soapy water to clean your hands with. So we added a few packs of that into this kit. And then, let's see, clean those out. There's some more of the towelettes. We also added some first aid burn cream in there. This is going to be good for just a general first aid, like your cuts, your scrapes, but also for some minor burns. A few packs of that in there. All right, so let's talk about level 2 now. It gets all of level 1 plus level 2. There again, here's a new product that we haven't been carrying before. We're going to start carrying now. But this is kind of like new skin is how I would describe it. So it's really cushiony and soft. So for those nasty wounds that you're trying to get to heal, you put this over top. It's going to help with your healing process. Just don't put this over something that's already infected. It's only downfall. If it's a clean wound, you put this over there, and it's going to give you a nice vapor barrier there. So we put some petroleum gauze in there. This is going to be for wounds you don't want things to stick to. You see a lot of this being used for like makeshift chest seals, things like that. We put a roll of SensiWrap in there. You're going to see why in just a second. but it's black, super tactical. But this is a SensiWrap, so this is kind of wrap, like when you get blood, stuff like that, you wrap it, it sticks to itself. That's what this is. We put a roll of that in there. We did a roll of Towelettes gauze. There again, trying to think about bleeding control, some nasty wounds. We're going to put a roll there. It's starting to get that fall, winter time-ish kind of feeling, depending on where you're at in the country. So we put some lip balm in there for chapped lips. Put a few packs in there. It's individually packaged, so you can kind of spread it out. That way, you always got some with you. And what kit would not be right without some duct tape? So we put a roll of flat rolled duct tape in there for you. We put a T3 bandage in there. This is the Israeli style bandage. It's a really popular bandage. I like it a lot. It's a 4-inch pressure bandage. But these T3 bandage also comes with compressed gauze already wrapped in there. So when you unroll it, it has this regular Israeli like we've always seen, but it has a roll of compressed gauze, non-hemostatic. So a great tool for that nasty wound that needs, probably doesn't need a tourniquet. Maybe you don't have a tourniquet, you have this. So lots of options, lots of uses for an Israeli bandage like this. So you get that. And that's all of level 2. All right, so let's look at level 3 now. We put some zinc oxide ointment in there. And the reason why I did that, and we're going to start carrying this in our store, is because this is good for like poison ivy, poison oak, those types of rashes, which during that fall, winter season, I can like breathe around poison ivy. It seems like I get it. So I get it a lot just being around the woods. So I thought this is super helpful. So you get a tube of that. You're going to get a Soft Splint, fractures, dislocations, things like that. You could use the SensiWrap that you got in your level 2 box. Now secure this there. These are always super helpful. We put a tube of triple antibiotic ointment. We kind of seen the theme going. This was for wounds, things like that. So we put a thing of antibiotic ointment in there for you. And we put our most popular tourniquet that we sell in the box. We sell a lot of cats. Thanks to you guys, this is the most popular tourniquet, so we decided to make sure everyone was going to have a tourniquet at level 3. If you already have one, now you have a backup. Nothing wrong with having a backup tourniquet. So here you go. We're not going to put a tourniquet in every box from every month. We just want to do it for this first go around, so make sure everyone had a good tourniquet in their first aid kit. So I appreciate the support. Next month, November, I guess technically this month, I don't know, the next box is going to be tools. So I'm kind of thinking like tools of the trade, some tools that you might need to help with patient care. There again, we'll do 3 different levels. So kind of the same thing, and I'll do a video showing what we put in that box. So I appreciate the help, appreciate the support. You guys are awesome. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.